What is this? Oh my goodness. There's 4 of them. Let's go see what's underneath this shell. I am excited to find out what's inside of these. Okay, so it's got a bunch of, looks like nuts inside. Let's try to crack one of these open and see what happens. Ah, haha. My goodness. There's a full-on Brazil nut inside here. And the whole thing is loaded with them too. I can't even think straight, I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, oh, they're so oily.
Brazil nuts are not only a great source of nutrients like magnesium and selenium.
This was a godsend right here.
They also pack a good 30 calories per nut.
Look at that chunk. Wow. That is the best Brazil nut I've ever had in my life. And I've got a bunch more ahead of me. I am very excited about what that's going to do for me in terms of protein, fat. You know, as an ultra runner, nuts and seeds are a huge, huge part of my diet back home. So having a new source of nuts here for a little while is gonna prove really advantageous.